Yo, welcome to this video. So I wanted to cover three types of adult traffic and their levels of difficulty. So the first one is self-serve, and self-serve is basically like Facebook. Like you can go on Facebook, you could straight up literally create your own campaign. The next one is called managed buys. So you send in, your banners, you set up your campaign, you tell them what you want, and you give them your links to promote. And straight up, they do it all for you. They manage it all for you. They do it all for you. So that's another type. The next one is very difficult, and it is called broker traffic or direct to site buy. This is very exclusive. Like you'd have to go to the person and straight up who owns like a specific site, maybe get millions per month, and you can basically say to them, "Hey, I'm willing to pay you blankety blank," and you work out a deal with them, and you're able to place your banner there long term for like months on months, and you pay up front, and you have it run for months on months, and it stays there, and you hopefully make it ROI. Now, the best way to do this is you start with a self-serve, you test it, you get it profitable, you make it work, and if your funnel is working really, really well, and you know what banners are working really, really well for you, then you could scale to a managed network. You could scale to more placements all over the place, okay, everywhere. You can literally scale that one thing to the moon like crazy, okay? So that's what your goal is. You want to basically master how to make a great funnel. The best way to do it is do a long-term funnel that you can monetize with freaking emails. You can send people to freaking other social platforms where they can also follow like your brand there, whatever your brand may be, and you can promote multiple offers. Now that's the key for a successful long-term campaign. If you wanted to do like a short-term flip of cash and just do one offer, you can do that. But remember, it's harder to make profitable due to the fact it's just one offer. Now you can monetize with back button redirects. You can manage with certain types of redirect funnels I talk about inside the course, different crazy things, more ways to monetize like crazy. You can do that. But anyway, those are the three ways you can do traffic. And how it works is, once again, you can scale up to each level, but you start with self-serve, and you can make a lot of money just from doing self-serve. You don't even need to do the other ones, just so you know. And this is easy for anyone. Don't overcomplicate it. You can crush it in this. And if you're interested in learning more, check out the course down below. Check out more videos. I will see you later. Peace out.